So this is the portfolio website that recently I created. You can see growdigitally.online. You can check it from your side as well. If you are online right now, you can check it on your mobile or computer, growdigitally.online. So this is the homepage of your portfolio website that you can see in front of you, right? So this is how you can change the text. Hi, I am Santanu Ghosh, so best web designer and best website developer, and all these things you can change. You can enter your own text, everything you can change, right? Below the text you can see social media icons, so you can add as many social media platform that you are active on, so you can connect your social media platform. Then hire me highlighted button over here. On your header section you can put your business logo or your own profile picture over here, that you can see I have uploaded my own profile picture over here on the left hand side of the header section. And you can change the base color of your website, and there are different menu you can see over here on the header section: home, services, portfolios, blog, contact, and the languages, right? After that you can see an animated image. You can change the image as per as your requirement, right? And after that the next section is about me, where you can put about your business, about your company, or about yourself, right? So where you can highlight your all the work ethics that you do for your clients, what are the services that you provide, and all these things you can write in a small paragraph you can write over here. After that, download CV. I'll talk about this CV and resume things later part of this video, but just see that you will have a download CV button. So if your customer want to download your CV, they just give a click on download CV button, and your CV or resume will be downloaded on their system. Now next section where we have technical skills gained, right? So different skills. So if you have different skills, like I have mentioned PHP, WordPress, Laravel, Photoshop. So as per as your business and type of service that you provide, you can mention as many skills that you want, right? And after that on the right hand side you can put your images related to the skills and services that you have, skills and experiences that you have, right? And after that we have product and services. So what are the top notch services that you are providing to your client, you can mention over here. Like I have mentioned from my side that logo design, website development, WhatsApp marketing, mini web, e-commerce solution, email marketing, the many more. So you can add as many services that you want from the admin panel. I'll show you later part in the video that how you can do all these things from the admin panel of your website, right? And each section are different from each other. So if you just give a click on read more button, so all the details about this particular services will be opened up on a new page, where you will have the headers, the title of the service and the images of the service. Then over here in detail you can write whatever you want, then your social media icons, right? So you can add as many text and as many images that you want, that is completely up to you, right? So like this each service you can add from the admin panel, and you can add unlimited services from your admin panel, right? After that we have knowledge and experiences, whatever education, qualification and experience that you have gained. You work different company, if you have worked for different company, or you have certain degree and certificate that you have gained from different institute, you can mention over here the year, how many years experience that you have. If you have done any job in any company, any organization, you can mention the business name, their company name, and all the details over here. And next section you can mention this animated numbers, like year of experience, satisfied customers, project completed, countries you have worked with. So all these details you can change as per as your need. This is not necessary that you have to write whatever I have written. This is completely up to you, fully customized, and you can write your own thing. I am just showing you one demo that I have done for my business, right? After that, this is a very important part of this video, that where you can showcase different portfolio. You can see, so you can see the different work that I have done, awesome projects, video editing, website design, Facebook marketing, email marketing, mini web. So like this you can add n number of projects or work that you have done for your clients. I have added 6, so you can add as many as you want, right? So if you just give a click on it, so it will be opened up on a new page like the services section. The portfolio section also will be opened up a new page, and here you can add unlimited slider, and the right hand side you can see different category section. You can add unlimited category and subcategory section. After that you can add the text about, you can write in detail about the project, when you completed this project, and all the details whatever you have done. So you can write whatever you want, right? So this is how you can showcase your portfolio, your work you have done for your client. So from the admin panel you can manage each and everything very easily, right? So you don't need to worry about that. I'll show you the admin panel dashboard as well. Now the next section is testimonial. This is one of the important section as well, what customer says. So you can add n number of testimonial. Here over here you can see different customer has written and has given different feedback, different reviews about your services, right? After that you have important news and updates, where this is the blog section of your portfolio website, where you can write different content, different blog articles about the service or something new in trending about technology, whatever you are doing in your field. You can write the content in order to gain organic traffic from the internet, right? So this is how, and one more important thing, this is a get in touch, contact me, from where people can contact you by submitting this contact form, name, email, subject and their messages, and they can send message to you, right? And you will be receiving the details from the clients, right? So this is how this is how I hope you get a rough idea that how your portfolio website is gonna look like. And there are 5 different theme of portfolio website. This is one of them, right? I'll show you other theme as well. From the admin panel I'll show you how you can change your theme within 1 second. Just one click, the entire look and the appearance of the website will be changed, and the entire content will be shifted to the new design, the new theme, right, within 1 second. Now I hope you understood what is a portfolio website, how it looks like, what are the features and functions, right? So you got a rough idea about it, right? Now we will see how to make a portfolio website like this and how we can manage each and everything from the admin panel dashboard, right? So in order to make a portfolio website, you need to visit portfoliowebmaker.com. This is a website builder, so don't worry, I will give the link in the video description. So you need to just type in Google portfoliowebmaker.com, and you can see different plans and pricing, right? So you can select any plan and pricing, yearly and lifetime plans. So for an example, I'll go this yearly plan, just give a click on it, and all you need to do, just put your username, email address, password and a confirm password, right? After that give a click on continue button, and once you are successfully signed up, so you will be logged into your admin panel dashboard, right? Since I have already signed up successfully, so I will just log into my admin panel dashboard. Just give a click on login button and just put your email address and password, right? And just give a click on login button, right? Now you can see you are successfully logged into your admin panel dashboard, and this is an amazing professional dashboard from where you can manage each and everything about your business, about your website, about your digital visiting card, your CV, resume, and also your custom QR code as well, right? I'll go one by one and I'll show you how to customize, how to edit and how to change each and everything, and everything you can manage very easily from your admin panel dashboard from here, right? So first of all, have a look how your admin panel dashboard looks like, and from the left hand side you can see all these options over here, your profile, your edit profile, change password and logout button. Then you can see dashboard, edit profile, domain settings, and all these options you can see one by one from the left hand side. And on the right hand side also you can see all the different options like skills, portfolio, services, testimonial, blogs, job experience, achievement, followers, and many more, right?